Welcome to my channel. I'll be showing us how to use a Google Colab for your programming or building your applications. The advantage of Google Colab is that all the dependencies that you need for your application is already installed, so you don't have to pip install any of your libraries. Okay, and you have access to a large number of dependencies that you can use. So if you are new to Google Colab, you just you type welcome to Collaboratory, and you sign up from here. All right. Okay, so when you sign up from there, you can open your application. So Google Collaboratory. All right, so let me log in. I'm already signed up. So open Colab. All right. Okay, so when you open your Google Colab, this is what you are going to see. You see examples. Example gives you an overview of the app and application. Okay, then you can see overview. You can watch the video, you watch it and see how it works. And the recent shows you the recent files you have worked on your Google Colab. You also have the Google Drive. The Google Drive, basically you can upload your notebook from your Google Drive. Now the extension for Google Colab is IPYNB, just like you have in your Jupyter notebook. So it comes in form of a notebook where you can run each line of code. Each line of code you can run it. So you also have your GitHub account. You want to upload your notebook from your GitHub account, you can also do that here. Then you also have the upload. You can upload anything that you want to do. So you want to start a new project, just come to new book. So you click on it. After you have clicked on it, you wait. It's going to open right now. All right. So after that has opened, okay, so you can have here, and there are two cells in Google Colab. We have the code and we have the text. The text helps you to label your coding. For example, now I'll just say let's call this testing app. Okay, we are just testing that. So you can see the result is not so bold here. So, but I want to use an HTML code header to make it bold. So I can say, all right, I can use my H1 code. So by the time I do that, you can see it's going to give me so after doing that, you can go ahead and can see your testing there. So you want to do your code, you click on your code and you're able to edit that. So the advantage of this is that you can actually move this, to any point that you want. So let's assume the testing, okay, I want to move this to the upper side. You can see it goes up. So I can actually test I can say print welcome. So welcome to my first app. All right. So if I run that, you can see it's running. You can see the application is going to run. You can see the application is running per line. So if I want to move the heading, want to move this downward, you can see I can move the text. So it's very flexible. I can actually move to wherever the desired points. So like I told us, all right, so let's import pandas. For example, now import, pandas is used for analysis. uh, Pandas as PD. All right, so let's run this. You can see it's already there. So what we now need to do, let's import a data set. Let me check if I have a data set here. So just come here, folder, and you can actually import the data set here. All right, so I have a data set here. Let me run this. Okay, it's going to take a while for the data to. So while that is uploading, so what I need to do is to create a data frame. Say data frame is equals to, let's say, pd dot read pd.read underscore csv. We are reading a csv file, so that is what you use to read a csv file. Put it in your code. Okay, my data is already here, so I can quote my data. All right, let's say adult data. Okay, .csv. You have to put the extension. So after you've done that, and say okay, data frame dot head. Head will print the first 5 rows. Okay, so let me run this and let's see. Great. So you can see, let me hide this. Okay, so that we can have a clearer view of. All right, so you can see here, you can see the first 3 rows are printed. But if I want to print the first 10 rows, you can see this data set contains about 32,000 rows. So I want to, okay, I want to print, let's say, first 10 rows. I can put it, let's say 8. I can put the first 8 row. Okay, I can print. You can see it's giving me the first 10 row, 8 row. All right, so you can see that starting from 0, indexing. So if I want the last rows, let's say I need the bottom 5. So I use PDF, let's say, okay, data frame dot p dot tail. So I use tail, all right. So tail is going to give me the bottom 5, right? So you can see the number of rows here, 32,000, and the last one, 32,560. The same way, you want to have your first 10 rows. You can see this data set. Okay, so you can see, then you can have your, say, let's say pd data frame dot tail. Want to have the bottom 10 rows. Bottom 10 rows. Should be able to have that. Great. So you can see, can 1, 2, 3. You can get, so that's 10. So you can see Google Colab is quite friendly. It helps you to do your analysis in a very simple way. And I can actually, if I want to label this part, if I want to label, I want to label this. I want to label this. I say, let me say I want to add a text here. Okay, I can actually add some text here and this for a description. All right. So just explore it. Take your time and do that. All right. Thank you.